In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access the privacy page of Deepseek. So if you want to read the terms and conditions of using Deepseek or their privacy policy, then you can easily access this from Deepseek chat page. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now to get started, head over to the left corner here and then tap on your profile. From this, go ahead and look for this option called settings. And from settings here, go ahead and choose about. Now here you can see we have quite a number of pages. One of them is terms of use, and also we have privacy page. To view terms of use page, go ahead and click on view, and then this will go ahead and open the terms of use page in a new tab. And as you can see, we have the terms of usage available here. On the other hand, if you want to see or to open privacy policy page, go ahead and also tap on view page, and this will go ahead and open Deepseek privacy policy page in a whole new tab. So that's how you can access privacy policy pages and also terms of usage pages of Deepseek. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.